How to create an email template in Gmail, as told by your favorite Gmail CRM and email marketing experts, NetHunt. This is actually part 3 of our Gmail hack series. Check out parts 1 and 2 to learn all about managing your contacts in Contacts and how to add an email signature in Gmail later. Because first, we're learning all about templates. We're automating your bulk email experience. Best of all, we're showing you how to automate your bulk emails in different ways. By the end of this video, you're gonna have the skill set and knowledge to create and use templates in Gmail. In 2 ways. Yep, 2 ways. That's the native Google way and the second, slightly more fancy NetHunt way. Now let's get growing. Let's face it, templates make it easy. When you're firing out email marketing campaigns, it's important to minimize the work you make for yourself. With templates in place, you don't have to type the same email over and over and over again. Which brings us nicely to template tutorial number 1, creating templates in Gmail itself. First, you need to enable this setting or make sure that it's enabled in your Gmail settings. Simply head to Gmail and open Mail Settings by hitting that cog icon in the top right corner. Hit See All Settings, find the Advanced tab, and then enable the Templates option. Oh, don't forget to hit Save Changes. It's right at the bottom of the screen. There are loads of different reasons you might send out an email marketing campaign. If you're looking for some inspiration, check the link in the top right corner and check out a video we made about email marketing. Ultimately though, it's up to you to create the templates that your business needs. Those templates depend on what goals you have for your different email campaigns. And once you've decided, creating individual templates is as easy as writing out an email. Open the Compose box. Type out the email you want to template. Hit the 3 dots at the bottom. Hit Templates. Hit Save Draft as Template. Finally, save as new template and name it. That's it. If you want to use that template for future email campaigns, simply open the Compose box again, type in the name of the label you want to receive your email, rustle up a sexy subject line, and hit those 3 little dots in the bottom right corner again. Hit Templates again, and choose the name of the template you want to send. It should automatically populate the body of your email. You're ready to send. I mean, yeah, that sounds good. Almost sounds great. But there are a couple of catches with Gmail bulk emailing features. The main one being that you're limited to sending just 500 emails in Gmail. For a startup or a very small business, that might not sound like such a problem. But as you grow, you're gonna need a proper email marketing tool. Like say, NetHunt CRM. There are a bunch of different email marketing tools in NetHunt CRM, from mail merge to MailChimp integrations, email tracking, and of course templates. The process of creating a template in Gmail is similar to the native way. You can create templates right from the email draft. Type out your campaign and hit this button. Choose Save Template, and when saving a template from, choose the necessary permissions. Personal is only visible to you, and shared is available to other workspace users. You can also create templates from the settings section. Go there and then find email templates. When creating email templates in the settings, a template will be saved in the tab as you create it. When you're ready to use a template in your email campaign, simply hit that same template button as before and select the template you want to use. Before you send out your email campaign, you can do loads of other fancy NetHunt things like send a test email, include an unsubscribe button, and turn on email tracking to look at the results later. Up yours, Gmail. We want to hear your feedback on our email marketing features in the comments below. Go on, we'd really appreciate it. If you want to find more info about sending email marketing campaigns out of Google, stay tuned for the next video. We've got loads of tips and tricks up our sleeves. Subscribe and like, hit those notification bells for more red hot email marketing content on your homepage, It's NetHunt, over and out.